Take command of the road in the 2010 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Mercedes-Benz prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, rear wipers, and power seats. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.